Hey guys, it's been about a week since the last time we've updated you as far as the wall and what we're planning on doing as far as the chalkboard. It's been crazy, let's just say that. It's 10:15 right now at night. I was pretty bored, so I was like, man, I just want to get this done. Ronnie said that he was going to meet up with me tomorrow, so that way we can start on painting the wall. But I think that I'm going to paint the wall right now. And then when he's here tomorrow, he can help me out with the second coat. That way we can start getting things done. We have a lot of stuff that we're doing for Flexlx, from online training and in-person personal training. So there's a lot of content that we need to start making in the next couple of weeks. So the faster we can get this done, then the easier. But I think with him being here tomorrow, it's going to be a big surprise. I don't think he's going to be expecting it. So I'm super pumped. I'm ready to get this thing going. So in case you guys want to take a look at it, this is the wall right now. If you guys know me and Rodney, you also know that we're not the handiest people out there. So I don't know if spackling the wall was the most efficient thing to do. So we did it because there were blemishes on the wood, of course. So we were like, you know what, we gotta do something in order to, hide those issues. So that's what we ended up doing. I literally sanded these two walls here. I wanna say they're 4x8 pieces of plywood. And they're not the, cleanest things that's out there either. So it took a little bit, but it's well worth it. I didn't mind, putting in the time because I wanna paint this whole wall with the chalkboard paint, because it is going to look nice at the end. I mean, I could have easily just went over to like Lowe's and gotten another piece of plywood and put it horizontally on there and stuff, but I think it'll look a lot cleaner by painting the whole wall like that too. So let me show you guys the paint that we ended up getting as well too. So we got it over at Walmart. Just regular chalkboard paint with a black finish to it. There's a bunch of different kinds, not over at Walmart, but I want to say like Lowe's has them and everything like that, where you can get it like the old school green color, like when you were back in school, good old days. Or like there's like a grayish tint to it too if you want to go that route instead. But I think the black is going to look way better, just because we have a lot more plans around this area. I think eventually we're gonna paint that up there like a matte black too, with like a pretty sick quote up there, or possibly our Flexlx logo. Guys, it's endless. There's so much stuff that we want to do, so it's gonna get pretty crazy. But let me go ahead. I do want to start painting this wall, so I'm gonna show you guys some parts of it, and then I guess we go on from there. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Guys, so behind me is the first coat for the chalkboard wall. It's looking pretty good. I mean, it looks kind of rough in person. I mean, it doesn't look too bad through the camera and everything like that, but we definitely do need a second coat. It says that you're supposed to wait roughly around 4 hours before you can repaint it. It's probably gonna take longer for it to dry and stuff anyways, but it's totally fine. Rodney's gonna be here probably at like, I don't know, 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It's 11 o'clock at night tonight, so I don't think that's gonna be an issue as far as it drying and putting on a second coat or so. It's gonna look awesome though. I mean, like, just filming this, with this light and everything shining down, it's looking really good. I can't wait to actually start posting our PRs and all that stuff and having clients come in where we're able to track down their information on here. Man, it's gonna be sick. I'm super pumped about it. It looks awesome. You know, it got me worried at first because when you first put the paint down, it's actually like a navy bluish color, and then when you're painting it, it's navy blue, and you're like, what's going on here? But then you actually, you know, you let it sit there for a little bit and it starts drying, and it does turn like to a nice pitch black color. So, man, I'm so stoked about this. I can't wait for Rodney to check it out tomorrow. So I'm not gonna tell him about it. I'm just gonna record when he comes in and he sees it. So guys, I'll talk to you a little bit later. I'll see ya. Hey, so I kind of did the thing already. I already like did one coat of it last night. Yeah, so I was already recording it. I was like, man, I'm just gonna surprise Rodney with it, and then we just gotta do one more coat and then wait for like 4 days for it to dry. Yes, I did. That's exactly it.
What's funny is I was actually gonna work out this morning because I was feeling a little bit better. I actually, the tip woke me up when she got home. I was like, never mind.
Oh yeah, perfect then. So, yep. What do you think of the wall?
Who, me?
Yeah.
I think it looks awesome.
Looks good so far, right?
Yeah, just a couple of light spots, but with the second coat, it's gonna be brilliant.
It's gonna be, yeah, freaking brilliant. It's gonna look good. The only thing that's weird about it right now is that it is definitely textured. So there's certain parts that feel kind of funky. I mean, it is plywood, but I think it's gonna look good. I think it's still gonna work out. So.
Bro, I can't wait to write stuff on it.
Me too. I was like, I can't wait to write like people's PRs and all that stuff on there. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah. Aria, say hi.
I have new PRs this next week, right?
Yeah, new PRs.
PRs. Oh man, I bet I was like semi-coordinated. That would have been real bad.
This is our chalkboard wall.
I'm so pumped for this, and it's done now.
Yep.
We're gonna write more stuff on here sometime. You still know what? So we just put our PRs up there.
PRs, just right now until we can kind of figure out the chart. I think we should do a chart. We'll talk about it. We'll try to figure this stuff out. But it looks
We don't know
good.
yet. We don't know yet. There's a lot of space on the chalkboard wall, and we want to fill it with stuff that's going to get us pumped up.
Yeah.
We're going to do most of our recording here, right?
Yeah.
Most of everything we record, we're going to do right here?
Yep.
So,
until we can figure out the office. That's the next project.
Yeah, we're definitely not going to record in the office because right now everything's purple, and that's not...
That's not fun.
We don't want to be Planet Fitness.
Yeah. Yeah, we have a ton of videos on the way. We're going to be setting up a heater in here real soon because, well, it's getting cold.
You know what's crazy is you got the heater this week,
yes.
but it's, what is it, 60 degrees right now?
Yeah.
Last week it was 30 degrees in the morning. Or was it last week? Oh, last week I was sick, so I wasn't in here. But the week before that, it was 30 degrees in here in the morning. I was freezing. Yeah,
like it's about 4 o'clock in the morning right now. I think it was like 50 degrees and 60 degrees right now. So it's going to be a nice day.
I think it's supposed to get colder today. Throughout the day.
Really?
This is the day where we lose our nice.
I know tomorrow it's supposed to be real cold for Halloween.
Yeah.
I love that.
Awesome.
Oh my God, we got to do a Halloween workout.
A Halloween workout? I don't have a costume. Oh, I should. I should
do.
buy. Never mind. I'm setting up a costume probably today since Halloween's tomorrow.
Yeah.
But I'm just kind of putting some stuff together.
So, anyways, this is the end of our chalkboard video, finally. It's 2 parts. I think we're going to be doing and stuff like that. Finish the first part, whatever. I can edit that out. But yeah, we're done with this. Now we got to figure out what's next. We got a lot of stuff on the way for Flexlx. It's been a huge process for everything that we've been doing, but it's coming together. It's coming together. It's looking
Everything is looking awesome.
Yeah.
Definitely looking like a success story in the future.
I agree. I agree.
I'm excited. I'm excited. I can't wait.
It's going to be awesome, man. So guys, if you like this video and all of our other videos, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. It would help us out a lot. Like I said, a lot of stuff is going to be happening within the next couple of weeks, next couple of months. It's going to be awesome, guys. So thank you again. Anything else you want to add to this?
Nope, just keep watching, keep looking out. Big things are coming. Lots of stuff is going to change. You see how it is now. If you watch the whole time, you're going to see it change over time, and it's going to be awesome.
It's going to be great. Guys, have a good day, and thank you guys for watching the video. We'll see you.
See ya.